Vegetarian and vegan diets, do you know the difference? While both have a lot in common, there are some key differences. Vegetarians don't eat meat, but they might eat dairy, eggs, and honey. On the other hand, vegans don't eat any animal products. The Vegan Society points out that vegans avoid animal exploitation in all forms. But is one better than the other? Harvard Health publication states that a well-planned vegetarian or vegan diet can be healthy. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Vegetarian or vegan, both diets have their advantages and disadvantages. We hope you found the information in this video useful.